I strongly believe that people who are in power and in positions of leadership should be questioned, and they should be able to answer. Not even should, they must be able to answer. So here's my question, guys. The country has a lot of educated people who are not working. It has a lot of graduates who are either not working or who are doing odd jobs, jobs that they are overqualified for. And the illegal foreigners did not take those jobs. They are not there, really. So what do we do after we've chased away everyone? Sonke sothengisa amaklabishi. That's what I want to know. Because Silana, we are doing odd jobs, but we have degrees. So what happens after labantu bahamba? What about those jobs? Do you see ukuthi we are investing so much energy, we are investing so much power in something that will not help us? Because siyazi for a fact that this has been happening for years. South Africa has been painted as a xenophobic country for these reasons. After every 2 to 3 years, you guys want abantu bangaphandle ukuthi bahambe. Okay, bayahamba, uma baceda ukuhamba kwenzakalani? Makuhamba uyi-one kuchashwa omunye. Doesn't work that way. So sesibaxoshile ke. The graduates, what do they do? Because we deserve. Graduates deserve ukuthi bayosebenza le misebenzi le esinikwe yona. Imisebenzi sayoyifundela kwathiwa sizoyithola. People go to learnerships, ma-skills development we-government yenu yenza ama-skills development, and then people get those skills, get the certificates, but no place to work. Bayosebenzaphi labo bantu labo nalezo certificate that were given by your government for free? 3 months course nyana, young 1.5 nyana, and then it's over. They move to the next people. Nabo bayenza the same thing. So is that how the economy is gonna grow? This thing of selling ama apula and everything, I'm not against it. I'm also a graduate and I'm doing an odd job, yabo. Semsebenzini, I'm a security, but I'm a graduate and I have a degree. Ngayifunda ngayiphasa futhi kanzima. But I'm here. Ngoba awukho umsebenzi. And who's to blame for that? Illegal foreigners? No. It's your government. The problem is our government. And when you say you're gonna replace ANC, yeah, wara wara, those are stories, guys. Those are stories. Ahlakaniphile kakhulu la makhehla. That's number one. Number two,